Hey guys, Kevin Fatty here. And first off, for those who upgraded to the free AI Money Pro version, a massive thank you. This is just going to be a quick introduction video to what we're going to cover in the next few videos. We got a lot of awesome content shortcuts for you. We're going to show you how to maximize your profits, increase your productivity, get things done faster. And actually, from all the experimenting that I've done over the past few weeks, massively increase your results. Basically, what I've learned is humans make errors, AI does not make errors. So if you're actually using the software to complete things, you have a chance of actually getting it done better. So let's get started. Just a few notes. Over the past 2 months, I've spent endless hours testing dozens of different AI images and video software tools. My goal here is to continue with free as much as possible, providing you with 100% free options to create professional video sales letters, training, and AI generated images. With that said, I will also provide you with information on some low cost, faster options. Now, I just want to understand what you'll save. I've been doing online marketing for 17 years. Basically, I've never ever wrote a video sales letter copy. In general, I've always outsourced that. I've ever do graphics or images to the video, I've outsourced that, and I've often outsourced the voiceover. And the average cost of a video sales letter to get the script written is between $250 and $500. Adding the voiceover to that video will cost between $150 and $300, and adding images to the slideshow and editing it will cost between $100 and $200. The total cost the old way is between $500 and $1,000 per video. So keep that in mind when you're doing this. If it takes you, for example, an hour to create a video, including the script, to edit it and publish it, you're doing pretty well. If it ends up taking you 2 hours, you're still saving a lot of money. Plus, what I've really noticed is the more times you do this, the quicker it becomes. Now, just one final note, I use Camtasia to edit my videos, which is a pet product. I just didn't fancy learning a whole new software. I work pretty fast with Camtasia, but there is dozens of free video editing software products out there, such as OpenShot. So if you don't have Camtasia, you can use all the other video editing softwares, and it's the exact same as just dragging in the media and edit it. Right. What we're going to cover in this module is using text magic to create video sales letters. I'm going to use two examples which I actually used for this product. So the video sales letter for the front end product for free AI money and the upsell was created 100% free using text magic. Using 11 labs to create video sales letters, there's an option here where you can actually clone your own voice. Using Pitchery to create video sales letters, and this is good for adding images. It's very fast, it's very efficient, but it's free with a watermark, and obviously there's a paid upgrade option. Then we're going to talk about using Blue Willow to create AI images, and I've got a lot of keyword training to cover in that video, and all that keyword training will be relevant to basically any AI image generation tool you use. And then we're going to wrap up with 3 other image generation software such as Dream AI, Staffel Fusion Web, and DALL-E. So that's it for the wrap, guys, for the introduction. And what I'll do is we'll see you in the next video and get digging into the training. Cheers.